Well, we're coming to a different part of the moors today. Probably see them there. Well, half of them went back down now, but in the distance you can just see the little white black-headed gulls, which is a good thing because last year there wasn't a one on the pond. Well, we had 2 weeks ago, we've only seen one pair, but I've just seen about 20 of the birds flying around over there. There was one here, circling with, chipping away, by making a noise. It'll probably fly around there and warn the rest of them. So we're going to go into the gull ponds and have a look to see what we can find on there. I'm pleased the wild returned. Right, we're at the gull pond and there's a nest there with eggs in it. And there's not a lot of gulls this year. I can see about 10 pair of them flying around. There's a few nests in the middle. Can't see much for the sun. I'll get around the other side. I'm going to go on them islands because I did find them on there the other year. And I found a few on the tops of these ridges as well. Leave the camera on for a few minutes just in case I stumble across anything. You can see where the gulls have just been sitting roosting. Bits of droppings and stuff. This is the wall for the pond. The ones that nest on the tops of the bank here didn't really build much of a nest. But the other year I did find them just on the top here, and a few. There's not a lot this year. No, there's no around the edges, is there? Another thing, this is where I went down onto the islands, because they do use the islands because it's safety from predators. Likes of foxes and that. I'm sinking. Didn't think I'm going to get across there. Can't see now for the sun. But we've just gone down. I don't really want to get wet just for nothing. Can't see any other nests. There's only about 5 or 6 nests on the reeds, isn't there? I'm wet now. Ah, shite with it. I think I'll just have a look. Oh, somewhere. No, they were using this for nests the other year. You see they're using it as a roost. Oh, there's a nest just here. I should be able to get a good look into this one. It's got 3 eggs in there, or something. That's been a duck's nest. There's been a duck's nest, yeah, and we didn't even look the other week. It's been pulled out. They're down in that.
The eggs are gone.
Aye. Something's had it. Probably a fox or something. If we'd only just had a look. But we came here and we didn't see a single gull, so we decided to leave. Oh, there's one there on building by the look on it, because we came here a couple of weeks ago and there was no, so if there's a nest there it's going to be on building. But there's one here with 3 eggs. There's one just here with 3 eggs, like.
Don't fancy getting wet, like?
Oh, no, I don't blame you.
Did you get wet jumping that one?
Aye, just like ankle deep, it's not deep. It's just not as deep as what it looks, you know. If you're wet, just
No, I'm not. Well, I'm going to get a big brick.
I'd get some stones, make some stepping stones. It didn't even get over the top of my shoes, you know, not properly. It's not that deep. But there's quite a few in amongst them reeds, but we can't really get to. And there's probably a couple in there as well. Can you find a stone anywhere, like?
No.
Yeah, didn't think there would be, like.
Got a tyre,
Yeah. What, that? A good big tyre?
Embedded in the floor.
Oh no, you never get that. That's what I was just looking at. You might be wasting your time. Shame about that. Just zoom on it. Make the most of this, because when we leave, we'll not be coming back to this year. I'm going to have a look around the edges, around that end, around them reeds as well, just in case, because there might be another ducks, I don't know. Well, we've come away from the pond. There was only about 5 or 6 nests there. Had a look at them. They've all got eggs. They've only just started nesting. Wasn't many pairs of birds, so we'll come around this end of the quarry to have a look around. Might find a ringmussels in the wall or somewhere. The last time I came through here, I did find a curlews in amongst the reeds, so you never know. Right, we're going this way. There's always something different in these places. I'm just walking through all the peaty stuff. Didn't find out if you didn't walk through it. It's starting to get late. It's getting a little bit darkish. We're getting close to 9. The sun is actually down. We're making our way back to the car, but we're just looking at the same time. We came in the other way, we'll come back out this way. Looking down all the quarry wall, going through the reeds. See if we can scare anything out. Probably the best time of night to come nesting. The birds be getting settled down. Walk through these reeds. The quarry's on the other side of the road where we actually found the woodcocks last year with young in amongst the reeds, similar type of place. So it's worth looking. I did find the ducks with eggs earlier on this year in the reeds at the other quarry as well. And we've just found one that had been destroyed in the middle of the pond. Well, predated, I should say. Appears to check everything. The further we're getting in, probably got a bigger chance of seeing foxes. Like foxes will have a den somewhere. I think which way to go. What's that? Stone chop? Or is it a wheatear? Sitting on the rocks there.
Looks like a wheatear.
It is a wheatear. I was thinking stone chat, wind chat, whatever you call them. But, oh, sinking. It is a wheatear. And you do just find them in the holes between the rocks and now some type of crevicey type place. But I didn't see where it came from, so probably a waste of time looking for it, because the nest in rabbit burrows as well. Right, we've got to go on through here and up there. I'll just walk through these reeds, see if I can scare anything out. I've sort of sniffed around on them. With a bit of luck, something might be in. It looks good. Looks like it's well used. There's a bit of a run through the middle. Yeah. I think the farmer's been in with a quad. I can see a double track. Oh, sinking. I hate walking through these things. We're going up on the top path. I just didn't like the idea of scaring something out. You nearly startle them before you see them. It's too quiet. It must be like a predator, like a predator. Like something that just kills them like a fox. In a quarry like this, ideal place. Because something took them ducks, ripped the nest out. And the same thing will probably happen with the gulls. That's why the gulls aren't nesting there as much. Because the other year when we came, a lot of the nests had one egg, so there was a few dead chicks lying around and stuff like that. Right. Turn the camera off if we see anything on the way back. Right, we've come under there, we're back down to where the car is. And the lapwing jumped off the top of that hill right in front of us. But didn't see it until the last minute, so I'm not sure if it ran. And that was directly in front, like, I'll have a quick look. Might as well before we get back. Well, I'm on here, roughly where the lapwing jumped off as we came over. Nah, we came in from that way straight ahead in the quarry. Went up around that way, walked all the way around, come back out, seen the gulls. And kind of find this lapwings. It wasn't here on the way in, so I didn't know, it might have just been perched, roosting for the night. Ideal place, found it in here last year with eggs. But last year when we found it with eggs, we walked past it a few times. Because they are quite awkward to spot at first. Very well camouflaged. A bit of a old nest site there. We often see the golden plovers in here now, but we'll just kind of find them. Sure, them nest further in the moor. Well, anyways, we're back to the car. Found a few nests. Hasn't been too bad. Once again, thanks for watching. That always looks too good to turn the camera off.